Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the door, reach down underneath. There's a little logo here telling you where the hood release is. Pull it down, and look for the safety release. It's right here. Push it to the passenger side. Put the prop rod. That's the normal position. There's also a service position for the prop rod. You can lift the hood up further, put it in there. Give you more space so you don't hit your head. Brake fluid reservoir is up here in the firewall. There is a minimum line and a maximum line. This is just below the maximum line, but the fluid looks nice and clear and clean. So that's in good shape. If you need to add some, you can open it and add the recommended fluid up to the max line and then close it up. We'll go to the front. Windshield washer tank is here. To add fluid, just open it up. There's no dipstick or anything. The container is translucent, so you can actually just see how much is in there. They usually hold about a gallon. We'll top this one off, and you'll just see it fill up. There it is, fills right up. And you can tell it's full simply by looking at the filler neck here. It'll be blue or whatever color washer fluid you're using. Fill the oil, remove the oil cap. This is an aftermarket one. Yours might be bright yellow like these other caps, and it'll actually say the oil weight on here. It's 0W20 full synthetic. Dipstick is on the other side of the engine. This is an aftermarket one. Factory one is usually bright yellow. Just pull it out. Wipe it off. Dip it back in. Pull it out. This oil is nice and clean and clear. It's really hard to tell, but it's up at the full mark there. It's got plenty of oil in it. Reinstall the dipstick. Coolant, this is your overflow tank. It's on the front of the radiator. You can actually see there's a low line here and a full line here. This is right in between. You can add coolant to the overflow by just opening up the cap and pouring it in there. What you should really do is when the vehicle is cool, to check the coolant level, is to open up the radiator cap, but only do this when the vehicle is cool, because otherwise hot steam can come out and burn you. So this car is cooled off, so I'm going to open the radiator cap and check. I'm looking for the level to be right at the top of the filler neck, right at the top of the radiator neck, which it is. So the radiator is full of coolant, so I know the radiator is not empty. I'm going to add just a little bit of coolant to the overflow. Open that up, put our funnel in. Got a 50-50 mix of coolant. We'll fill it up to the full line. Right about there. Didn't take much. That's good. Take a funnel out, close the cap back up. This vehicle is equipped with electric power steering. There's no power steering fluid to check. It also has a CVT transmission, so there's no transmission fluid that needs to be checked. You just leave it alone and change it at the recommended service intervals. And also when you're under there doing an oil change, you can check for any leaks. And if you've got any leaks, then they can be addressed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.